Good evening, everyone. Sorry I'm very late tonight. Many appointments, and this is my first opportunity to speak with you. I guess tonight's mortgage myth number 11 will be income is the only determining factor in getting a mortgage. Well, that needs to be debunked as well. If you are only bringing in income to a bank and they are telling you that you can be pre-approved for a certain amount without looking at a lot of other factors, then you are buying at the wrong value. So very important that a very comprehensive pre-approval be done by looking at other factors. So what are those other factors? Number one, income is important. Not only a salaried income, but if you're hourly, 2 years worth of T4s to see how much you can be approved for, as well as other sources of income, whether you're getting child tax credit. Sometimes we can use that with some of our lenders. We can also use, as we just found out, adoption income. We can also use child support. So there are many other things. That's why it's important to really delve deep and not just go to a bank and provide a pay stub and say, how much can I be approved for? When you look at all the factors, you might find out that, yes, you can get into your dream home. So what other factors do we look at? We also look at your debt load. So if you're carrying lines of credit or car loans are the really big problem right now, especially with the stress test. A $600 car payment can cost you almost $100,000 now in purchasing power. But we have ways around that as well. So talk to us if you're carrying a big car payment that's impeding your chance of getting into a home. More strategies. The other thing we look at is the property taxes of a potential home that you may be considering. Property taxes are included, and we look at that. We also look at if there are condo fees. And there is also an amount put in for heating, depending on the size of the house. So there are lots of factors that go into determining how much you can afford. Another big factor that can impede or help your chances of getting a great mortgage is your credit score. And I've spoken to this on many other occasions of how it's important to have excellent credit. You are being judged on your credit like never before. And actually, I just got something from my insurance company that asked me to reveal my credit score because they were going to give me a better rate or a better amount to pay on my property insurance based on my credit score. So if you are having and struggling with credit score and you've had issues, call us. Again, we have strategies to help you boost that credit score, or to help you if you're in that quagmire of people not reporting things properly. We have a direct line to Equifax to actually improve your credit if things haven't been removed. For example, a collection. People just don't know where to go, and they just feel like they're lost. They're in this quagmire of people still saying that they owe money that they don't owe, that they paid years ago. So we can help with issues like that as well. So don't feel alone. Don't feel like you're suffering. You want a home, you don't know how to get into one. All it takes is to be a bit brave and to give us a call. And we can tell you exactly where you stand. And besides that, even if you are not in position right now to buy a house, we'll put a plan in place so you know how many years it's going to take you. It could take 6 months, a year, 2 years. It goes by very quickly. But if you don't know where you stand, then you don't know how you can move forward. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about tonight, was that the income that you're earning is certainly not the only determining factor in getting a mortgage. It's part of the big puzzle that we love solving for people. So please give us a call if you need our help. We're always here. We have a great team. And that's all for tonight. Happy spring. Bye for now.